to a short introduction to the Danish healthcare system. Welcome at Aarhus University Hospital, Skyby. Please come on. To give you a short introduction, we would start with telling you a bit about the Danish healthcare system. How is Denmark actually run? The Danish society is built upon a very active associative life. Every family member and every family are part of a voluntary organization. Also, the co-op movement has a great impact on the Danish society. You know it from the diaries, from farming, from everywhere around the country. The head of state is the queen. She's without power in a political sense. The political system is built upon the parliament, elected members, 189 members from different parties, political parties. They form the government. For now, the Prime Minister is Helle Thorning-Schmidt, the first female Prime Minister in Denmark. And there are different ministries. For us, the focus will be on the Ministry of Health. The Ministry of Health is the political head of the 5 regions who run the hospital, the public hospitals in Denmark. The 5 regions: the north, the middle, the south, Sjælland, and the capital. See it shortly on the map, just to give you an impression of our small country. The capital, Copenhagen. The middle region is here. The capital of the middle region is Viborg, in the very middle. For now, we are at the University Hospital of Aarhus, which is here, where also Systematic has its headquarters. We will concentrate upon the mid-region, where Systematic developed the electronic patient system, which is used and applied on all the hospitals in the region. The region have a political leadership and a leadership of civil servants. In the region we have 5 hospitals: Hospitalsenhed Vest, Hospitalsenhed Horsens, Midt, Randers, and then the University Hospital of Aarhus. Every hospital have a management. At the University Hospital also centers, the different departments, wards, and the users of the electronic patient journal is the frontline practitioners, nurses and doctors. Secretary, nurses, all work with the electronic patient journal. They use it in their daily work to get an overview of the patient. Plans are made for treatment of the patient, and everything is documented also in what comes to medication. Where also the room for medication, we have computers.
I'm ready.
Every person born in Denmark or getting asylum or a citizenship in Denmark will have a personal number. It's contained of their birth date and a specific number, so you can always identify every patient. We use the CPR number to identify a patient, and every time we do any writing, any correspondence about this specific patient, it contains the civil registration number, CPR. The work environment and what characteristics of the Danish health care system is that doctors, nurses, secretary work very much in dialogue. It's a very flat structure, and everybody is able to do everything concerning the patient. They're very dependent upon the electronic system. And it helps us if we have a patient transferred from one of the regional hospitals to the university hospitals. We have all the information we need when the patient arrives, and we can prepare the setup for this specific patient. Privacy for the patient, the inpatient, is very highly valued, and in the rebuilding of the new hospital, all patients will have a private room. For now, all patients will be in a 2-bed room with another patient. They share a bathroom. Our culture is very much dependent on the acceptance of the patient and transparency, so the patient know what are the diagnosis, what are the plans for the treatment. So no patient is treated without their acceptance. Show you here where you see a structure of the new hospital, where the plan is that in 2017 all 4 buildings of the university hospital will be placed in this area. It will be the largest hospital in Denmark, with departments of all diseases. Everybody has a voice in the hospital, whether it's the cleaning lady, the doctor, the nurses, the constructors of buildings. Everybody has a special place, and everybody is valuable. When the patients are hospitalized, they get treatment for free, they get food for free, and for children below 18, also allowed to have a parent with them sleeping in the same room as a patient. At the university hospital, we have a great responsibility also for being in front of research. We have a research department where researchers from all over the world come to develop their specific cases. There's a whole department. This is in the cellar of the University Hospital of Skejby, where you can operate, the researchers can operate on pigs and on rats. Here are a short brief of all the research have been ongoing on this university hospital for several years. This was just to give you a very short introduction of the structure and the organization of the Danish healthcare system, and you can see the link where you can read furthermore whatever information you might need, and also you will get training during the 3 hours course that you will receive at Systematic. Thank you.